Hi, I am Pat. I'm going to show you how to install the Holson sight on the Glock pistol, Glock 5th generation. I saw nothing on this, so I ordered a mounting bracket which didn't work. I didn't need it, but on top of the Glock Generation 5 pistol, the Glock's got this top plate, and this is 2 screws you got to take out to make it work. I initially purchased a accessory bracket on Amazon which did not work, but anyway, with a Holson sight you get this screw device, a screwdriver type device, which works very well to take out the Glock, the previous Glock mount, making room for the new Holson mount. And then I wasn't aware of it, but my son informed me the Glock pistol came with mounting brackets that came with the Glock when you purchased it. So I looked in there and one of the 4 mounting brackets worked. So all I did is put a little bit Loctite on the couple screws, and I screwed the mounting plate in, which you can almost see, but I screwed the mounting plate in, and after that I basically just put Loctite on there once again, and I put these 2 you can kind of see I screwed this down. I had to use the longer screws that came with the Holson. They had screws in there. The screws that come with the Glock are a little bit short, and the Holson comes with some longer screws and some middle length screws, and the middle length. The medium length screws that came with the Holson are the ones that fit. Sorry for the quality, but this is a one-man operation here. I saw nothing on the internet about installing the Holson sight on a Glock version 5, so I just thought I'd run a quick video, which is better than nothing at all. And the green dot was hard to capture, but again, you can adjust it. Different configurations, different sizes, by holding down the plus or minus for 3 seconds. Hope this video helped you somewhat. God bless and have a good day.